Replacing the central operating unit with the turn push knob. The center console was removed here for demonstration purposes, but it can remain in the vehicle. Take off the trim piece from underneath the handrest. Insert the screwdriver through the opening to unlatch the center console button group. Pull the electrical connectors. Loosen the screw using Torx screwdriver. Take off the handrest housing. Using the screwdriver, hammer a hole in the cover piece of turn push knob. Pry out the cover. Under the cover you will see a screw. Remove the screw and take off the turn push knob. The turn push knob is the control for the central operating unit. To access the central operating unit you need to remove the wood trim. Remove the two mounting screws at the front. Take off the hinge cover. Then remove the two screws on the inside of the armrest. After removing the third mounting screw at the rear you can take off the armrest. Note, the armrest is still connected to the center console by wires. Carefully take off the wood trim. Next you have to turn the wood trim over to access the four mounting screws for the central operating unit. Note, be careful not to damage the finish. Remove all the screws. Take the central operating unit out of its socket and replace it with a new one.